Why do Americans sound like they're skipping letters? Here's the trick. Want to sound more American? Say this. Gotta hurry. It's already dark.
Accent breakdown. Gotta. Flap T plus reduction. Hurry. R colored vowel. Already. Flap T plus reduced stress. Dark. Strong retroflex R. Accent comparison. Non-native neutral accent. Got to hurry. It's already dark. Neutral American accent. Gotta hurry. It's already dark.
Now it's your time. Try it yourself, give it a shot, tag me, subscribe, and hit the like button. See you soon.